Happy Monday, everybody. Here's to an exciting Monday, everybody. We just thought we'd mix it up a bit. Okay, so we're going to talk about keeping business cash rolling in. Okay, so the mnemonic we're going to use today is PIC, P-I-C. Over to you, Mahmood.
Thank you, Serena, aka Tina Turner. Policies is about making sure you communicate those terms and conditions clearly out to your customers. Make sure those staff involved also know what they are. Information, vital to have a good record keeping system that gives you that information like Xero, who owes you money, how much they owe you, when it's due, and who those customers actually are. And consistency, keep on it. Regularly follow up with those reminders and phone calls, sending those statements out. That's all for me for today.
So guys, remember the mnemonic for today. PIC. Keep that cash
rolling
rolling
in.
in.